been doing these community design build projects for 30 years. I've been here at Cal Poly 30 years. This is definitely the most exciting one since it has so many different disciplines.
It's kind of something that's works in all of our skill sets and is kind of bigger than any of them individually.
The whole point of the project is to have an amplification of the entire Poly Canyon in this one special space.
We wanted to create a really immersive experience that kind of centers people within the structure and within the canyon.
We use the term biophilic. Biophilic really means responding to the elements, daylight, sounds, wind, but it's really the idea of this dome being something that makes you more aware of the environment.
What we did was we went out there, we actually kind of sat and literally meditated for like a couple of minutes to really listen to all the different sounds. The crickets, the cows nearby, horses, even man-made things. You could literally listen to the airplanes flying by that kind of took over the noise sense of the area.
The idea of making an immersive instrument is really exciting and a totally wonderful way to experience sound and experience music.
To take this structure that's already existing and sort of integrate it into the site, it grounds it a little more.
All the sounds and experiences kind of funnel into this one almost, I don't know, divine is the right word, holy, but like some special place that people can really enjoy.
The sound component and the actual physical building are totally connected. So this big chord that changes depending on the color and the motion. Different sensors take in where you are and what you're doing and maybe the color of the shirt that you're wearing and respond by changing the sound.
People get to interact with the built and actual environment the way they want to.
As the sky changes throughout the day, the synthesizer will change to reflect that.
I hope people are able to sit down, just like close their eyes and just like listen to the music, be there, just like forget about whatever else is going on.
Having this structure that you can kind of perform in or make music in is more than just a dome that provides shade, but it kind of has its own life and personality now.
With our update to the pavilion, we're adapting the original purpose of it. Architecture graveyard, as it's called right now, kind of has this essence, an intrigue, but also kind of this like feeling of sadness around it because there's a lot of derelict buildings out there.
Our installation sort of takes the aspects of Poly Canyon and the site around it, and we're trying to tie the two together.
Kind of injecting new life into that and also providing a place for people to reflect on the experience of being tapped into nature.
For me, architecture is a wonderful profession that really embraces all professions because architects, they should be acting as sponges that really collect all the information to design something that really represents the individuals or the community that they're designing for. It's just the idea of being fascinated with the idea of making, but making for people and making for people that it addresses.